Afternoon guys, welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. Now this vehicle, funny enough, I'll be completely honest with you, has already been back a little while ago, but it's been back yesterday and today for us to finish and sort out a slight problem that we had. So this is a Q4 e-tron. I think it's 2021, it's got a private plate on, and it came to us with standard central locking, but keyless stop start. So you can get in, key in the vehicle, and you can press the button to start it. But what the customer wanted for his partner, because it's his wife's car, was keyless entry. And keyless entry, if you don't know what that means, is basically you've got sensors in the door handles that allow you to lock or unlock the vehicle with your key in your pocket or your bag. And that means that then realistically, you know, if you've got a handbag and you've got your key in there and it's buried in the bottom, it doesn't really make any difference. Obviously, if it's not in there, you can't unlock your car, but it has to be very, very close using what they call near field communications, or NFC. Now, this particular setup or this install is really, really time consuming. Whole vehicle has been apart, it seems, with all new door handle touch pads that have gone in. Even figuring out how to get the door handles off was fun, especially at the front, because you need a specific tool that is not available as easily as you want through Volkswagen Audi Group, so Richard had to make one. Now, once the door handles have come off, the new touchpad sensors have gone in. The wiring for each one of those needs to go down towards the door shut and then through into the vehicle, and we have then replaced the module. I'll just show you what your module is. This is the module. This is called the Kessie module, and this is your keyless entry. Now this is a very basic one that was fitted in the vehicle, or a dumb unit, and then we have replaced that, connected all of our wiring to it and added some data in there and then done some coding. But not just that, there's also the near field transmitters or receivers that have been fitted in the wheel arches at the front and at the back of the car, and that means that when you walk up to the vehicle, the key is in my pocket right now, so there's one of the keys. We've had to recalibrate both the keys to work with the immobilization and the start-stop authorization system. So the key is in my pocket like so. Now what I can do is I can walk up to the vehicle. At the back door here, for instance, the car is locked at the moment, as you can see, because the wing mirrors are closed. I can put my hand inside the handle like so, and that then unlocks the vehicle. Now, it doesn't matter where you do it. You can then put your hand back on the door handle itself, and then that will also lock the vehicle. So put your hand inside to unlock, on the outside to lock, and it's the same. It doesn't matter where you are on the vehicle, so I can do the same here. And again, unlock. Obviously, if you don't open the door, then the vehicle will then just lock itself after 60 seconds as a safety feature. But right now, if we want to lock, it will then lock, and that's it. So this is a 2021 Q4 e-tron that left the factory with just remote central locking and keyless stop start or engine start, has now got full-blown keyless entry, which means keys in your pocket, keys in your bag. You can get in and out the vehicle, and you can walk away simply. If you've got your hands full, you can just put your hand on there and it's going to lock the vehicle. So if you've got a vehicle like this, then get in touch with us to see if yours is compatible. It's not a cheap retrofit, it's quite labour intensive, and we're down in Dorset, so website links in the bio, and thank you for watching.